I look stupid. It's fine. So what? So what? I look good today, right? I look good today. Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a brand new video. And before I get into the topic of the video, I want you to get into this hairstyle, this lock style. It was styled by Ms. Lady Locks here in Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta for the weekend for the World Natural Hair Show. So she styled it at the hair show, retwist and style all at the hair show. Maybe it took 2 hours tops. And listen, if I tried this hairstyle myself, it would probably take me a good 8 hours to do. Especially if I try to make it neat like this. But that's what happens when you have celebrity master locticians who grace your hair. And I happen to be so blessed, right? So yeah, I'll have video content from the hair show. So it's 2 days. So today was day 1. So I'll also have content from tomorrow. Follow me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already saw a lot of my content already, which you should be following me. Follow me at Keisha Charmaine and on TikTok, the Keisha Charmaine, because somebody already took my name, Keisha Charmaine. It's a common name apparently, but anyway. R&B Music, at R&B Music on Instagram, made a post that inspired this video. And their post was really just a screenshot of a tweet that SZA made. Shout out to SZA, I love SZA. I feel like I'm stuttering a little bit. Let me slow down. SZA tweeted, "Your fear of looking stupid is holding you back," simply put. And I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. It makes me sad a bit when I think about how many people are in this world who have hopes and dreams who never even attempt them. And some people are so afraid of looking stupid that they don't even attempt to dream, period. I think people like that are just afraid to dream because they're afraid of looking stupid in their attempt, in their failure, in their success, because a lot of times people do look stupid in their successes. Look at Will Smith. Sorry, I didn't mean to go there. But shouts to Will. I love him dearly. I really do. I actually reposted it into my story. It's probably gone by now actually. Oh, it's still here. And when I reposted it, I wrote, "I feel like I look stupid all the time. I painted myself blue and went into the woods pretending to be an alien. So, I DGAF. I wanted to. I look at other influencers every day and think, you look stupid too. So, do the thing, be you. Plus, some of the things you think look stupid are actually pretty dope." I posted that with hopes of like inspiring somebody to like do the thing. That's how I put it. Do the thing. Whatever the thing is for you, do the thing. Don't be afraid of looking stupid. So what if you look stupid? Someone will laugh at you, okay? And the thing is, I don't want to go down too much of a rabbit hole, but I feel like society is getting so sensitive these days, and it's detrimental. And the reason why I think it's detrimental is because when I think about how I grew up in New York City, okay? And the kids can be mean. But the thing about mean kids, it builds your character. It builds your character. When you have to deal with kids being mean to you, making jokes on you, you learn to make jokes back. And you learn for those jokes to not affect you. So if you've never been joked on your whole life and then now you're 40 years old and somebody makes a joke on you, it's like the end of the world. It's uproar. You go full Karen mode. But somebody who grew up in that type of environment where, you know, the jokes flew and it built their character, they'll either joke back or ignore it. And it won't, you know, cut deeply. It won't resonate in such a way that it, you know, causes a trauma in you. I mean, and I understand that, you know, we want to be considerate of people's feelings, but like, I think that we've gone too far, or we're going too far. We're not necessarily all the way there, but I feel like we're headed in that direction. But seriously, why are you afraid to look stupid? You know, don't take yourself so seriously. That comes from a place of such a strong insecurity in self. I don't even want to use the word insecurity. It's deeper than insecurity. It's low self-esteem. I made my channel when YouTube first started in 2005 or 6, right? I was posting content ever since then. It wasn't necessarily content. I was posting stuff with like my friends. Like I made a video with me, my friend Aaron, and my friend Tassie dancing on the beach. R.I.P. Aaron. I posted like really silly stuff, and the only reason why I hid those videos is because that's silly teenage stuff. It's kind of inappropriate. Some of it was really inappropriate. Even like my older videos that are still related to locks, like sometimes some of those videos I look stupid. I look stupid. For instance, oh my god, in the early 2000 teens, makeup YouTube was so big. Like most of the girls like in my age group, we learned how to do our makeup from YouTube. And you know what that means? That means we learned how to do makeup wrong. That means we learned how to use too much makeup. Because YouTube beauty gurus wear too much makeup. Yes, I said it, they wear too much makeup. And I know that because I've gone to BeautyCon and I've met a lot of these beauty influencers in person, and their face look crazy. A lot of them, not all of them, but most of them, they wear, like, it looks great on camera, it looks flawless on camera, but in person it looks like, whoa, I can take a chip and dip your makeup off, and it's like I have a good amount of dip on my chip. You know what I mean? That's what their face looks like. And that's how I learned to do makeup. So when I look at like a lot of my old videos, I'm like, ooh girl, you're wearing a lot of makeup. It's really heavy. Like, it's really heavy. All that eyeshadow, girl, is giving clown. It's giving clown. But I still have those videos up because I don't care if I look stupid. What's coming out of my mouth, the content of the locks, that's still legit. That still stands. But I look stupid. It's fine. So what? So what? I look good today, right? I look good today. It's okay to look stupid sometimes. Do the thing. I don't know what it is you want to do. Maybe you want to shift careers or like change careers. Do it. Is that what you want to do? Do it. At least attempt. But I realize most people just aren't built that way. Most people are the complacent type. And that makes me sad. That really does make me sad. Because like I think of certain people in my life who were in my life or who are no longer in my life, and like I remember having certain conversations with them, and I would just feel like, you are too young to feel this hopeless about making a change for yourself. It's really sad. And that goes for like all types of areas of their life. That could be career, that could be like family situations, that could be relationship situations, that could be hobbies. Like certain people are just built different. How are you built? How are you built? Do you care if you look stupid? You know I don't care if I look stupid. And by the way, I don't think I look stupid in the movie. Like in the final cut, like I think I look great, but I look stupid to the passerby who's seeing me in the woods, like with blue paint on my face. And actually there was a lot of footage that didn't even make the cut, where I was, oh, if you guys saw the making, the making of the video, the behind the scenes, the scene where like all the cars are coming, bruh, we were there for like we were there for like 20 minutes. Like there was mad cars that saw me looking stupid. A lot of them were laughing. I mean, some of them were like, go girl, but a lot of them were like laughing, you know what I mean? Who cares? You're gonna just drive by, and then 3 lights later you're not gonna remember you saw me. I don't care if I look stupid sometimes. It's okay. I hope you don't care either. Drop a comment below, let me know if you care if you look stupid. My battery's about to die. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Love, light, and locks.